one country that has quietly come out of the Ukraine war stronger than when it started. It is not Russia, not Ukraine, and definitely not Europe. It is the United States of America. And once you see how, you will never look at this war the same way again. On the surface, the story is simple. A terrible war in Eastern Europe. Russia becomes the villain, Ukraine is the victim, and America is the generous friend, sending money and weapons to help. That is the story you have been told. But underneath that story, something else has been happening. Something that has made America richer, stronger, and more in control of its rivals than it has been in decades. Let me show you how. Let's first start with energy. For years, Europe ran on cheap Russian gas. It flowed through giant pipelines straight into Germany, France, and beyond. It was cheap, it was reliable, and it made Europe quietly dependent on Moscow. In 2021, Russia supplied around 45% of all of Europe's gas. Then came the war, the pipelines were cut, and Europe suddenly needed someone else to keep its homes warm and its factories running. And guess who was waiting for this? America had spent the previous decade becoming the largest energy producer on the planet. And when Europe got desperate, American ships full of gas started crossing the Atlantic. Today, Russia's share of Europe's gas has collapsed from 45% down to around 13%, and United States now supplies more than half of all the gas Europe imports. American gas imports to Europe jumped almost 4 times over in just a few years. Just think about what that means. The war didn't just hurt Russia, it quietly handed Russia's biggest customer to America. A market worth tens of billions of dollars a year, taken without firing a single shot. But things are only going to get more interesting. It is not just the gas. Every dollar Europe spends defending itself now flows toward American weapons makers. European countries are buying American jets, American missiles, American systems because they are scared, and America is the one selling safety. The war reminded every nation in Europe that without America, they could not protect themselves. So dependence was rebuilt overnight. And Russia, the one rival America has worried about for a century, it is being slowly drained. Its army worn down, its economy strangled by sanctions, its future weakened, year after year, without a single American soldier on the battlefield. This might sound a bit unusual or hypothetical to you, but I need you to very calmly think about all of this. Let me give you a recap. America's biggest energy rival is weakened. America's allies became more dependent than ever on USA after Russia-Ukraine war. American factories are selling gas and weapons at record levels, and the bill for all of it, the fighting, the dying, the destruction, it is being paid by others. This is why some analysts argue that America is in no hurry to end the Ukraine war, not because anyone wants people to die, but because coldly and strategically, the longer it grinds on, the more America's position quietly improves. That is the uncomfortable truth about how power really works. Wars are rarely just about who is fighting.